Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the government. What actually government means. There are many rumors around us, or in other words we can say there are lack of knowledge about the government. If you ask somebody what is the government, but in most of the case you will got answer that who is the government. In case of our Indian government system, when you ask somebody what is government, they always says our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is government, or whatever their chief minister is the government, or sometimes they say council of minister is the government. And friends, let me know how many of you know about the council of ministers. If you know, then comment me the actual definition of council of minister, or otherwise if you don't know, don't worry, in my next video I will talk about council of minister. So most of the people also says that some particular politicians is the government, or some particular group of politicians is the government. No friends, all these answers is incorrect. Let us discuss about the real definition, real meaning of the government. What is government? But friends, before proceeding about the government definition, let me clear you two things which will definitely help you to understand this concept of government. And the first thing is that whenever I talk about or I says the state, you always need to consider it as a country. And the second point is that friends, my definition or my explanation about the government system is implies to both state government and central government up to some extent. Or you may say that state government system is also the replica of central government system, but there is slightly changes. So what was that, we will talk in our next video about the changes, but in particularly in this video we will discuss about the government. So let's begin the actual meaning of government. Friends, government is not a single person. That is, singly our prime minister can never be a government, or any people, or we cannot always say that the group of politicians is also government. No, government is not a person, government is not a group of person. Government is an agency. So when we discuss about the actual definition, government in actual sense is the agent of states. It's not a person, single person, it's the agent of states. Government is an agency which is formed through the various functions of the state, that is law making, law implementation, and law is carried out. When we summarize this definition, if you want you can note it down in your notebook that government is an agent of states. It is an agency through the various functions of the states, that is law making, law implementation, and law is carried out. This is a short definition which will express the actual meaning of the government. There are three organs of our government through which we can define the government, not a person. Those organs is, first one is the legislative organ, second one is the executive organs, and third one is the judiciary organs of our government system, especially when we talk about our Indian government system. So what is the work of legislative? Do you know? Legislative is always stands for law making, and when we say about the law making, it only legislature have the power to make a law for their land. So it's not and their job is only to make the law which the group of peoples who stands in the legislature will discuss briefly or will discuss in detail about any law before making or before enacting that law. Now let us talk about the executive. What is the function of executive? The law implementation part is the actual function of executive. The implementation of law is done by the executive. When we talk about the executive, friends, I want to clear you one thing, that there are two type of executive. One is the temporary executive and the other one is the permanent executive. As you know that temporary executive is stands for our ministers, that is they only stands for 5 years or 6 years, and the permanent executive is our civil servants like IAS, IPS, IFS, for what you are studying or for what you are watching this video. So the next organ of our government is the judiciary, and you all know about the judiciary. What is the actual function of judiciary? So these three organs collectively form the government, not a single person or a group of person. We cannot say that this particular person is the government, this party is the government. No, these three organs collectively forms the government. So let us summarize this video that there are three organs, that is legislature, executive and the judiciary. Legislature stands for the law making, executive stands for the implementation of law, and judiciary is to judge the law. If they feels that there is any mistake, there is some content which violates our constitution or which violates the particular rights, they can interfere. So this is all about the government. I hope you got the actual meaning of government in this video. And friends, in my next video I will definitely talk about Council of Minister, and I always try to make a short and precise video for you about the topics related to UPSC, or you may say it will also helpful for your SSC examinations or any other examination in which you required GK, GS or other topic. So for that you need to subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt or if you have any comment confusion, you can feel free to comment in my video, and any other information if you want other than the topic or the lecture regarding your any personal doubt regarding to examination or regarding to preparation, you may raise a question in my comment section, and I will definitely assure you that I will answer that. So this is all about the government, and we will meet in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.